Okay, hi. I got my copy of Home Designer Suite 2019 open. Just drew a little simple little box here with an interior wall. I'm going to get a doorway and put it over here in this wall. Do a camera view of it. Okay, I'm going to hit the Shift F6 key so you can watch this in 3D and in plan view. And go back over to this screen, zoom in, open the dialog box. I'm going to make this 30 inches wide is fine. I'm going to make it 48 inches tall. Hit the tab key, put a floor to the bottom and put that at 36. So now I've got a 30 inch by 48 inch hole in the wall, 36 inches from the floor. Now, whoops, I'm going to open the dialog box in this window and get rid of the sill. I guess well, if Suite can do that, I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. We'll just leave casing around the hole like that. Now I'm going to go over here to cabinet tools, wall cabinet, stick a wall cabinet on the wall. Use the control key and put it in the hole. Now I'm going to line it up with the hole. I'll open the dialog box of this cabinet, make it 48 tall, 36 from the floor, and 30 inches wide. Now I'm going to go over here to the front tab of the cabinet dialog, and excuse me, we're going to select this area here, and I don't want a door there. I want an opening. And there's your built-in shelf. So I need to line it up a little bit better. Let's see, I guess I need to make that 36 from the floor. And I'm going to take the centering tool and center it on that hole. Yeah, that's better. And voila. So that's how I would do it in Suite. Now, as a designer, you're also going to have to figure out how to handle this space behind the wall and whatnot, but that's your problem. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Adios.